Hi YouTube, here's a Sunbeam Humidifier, hot air. This one spits out hot air here. You put water in here, turn this on high or low, and then humidity comes out here. It's good to keep humidity in the air, especially in the winter. Then your nose doesn't dry up inside the house. Plus, dry air can cause all type of bad health effects. About once a month or so. Well, first here, this is how you fill it with water. You just take that off, fill it, and then it drops back down into place here. But what some people don't know is this part comes off. This one is held down in place by this little thing here. Last one I had, it didn't have this, and this part just lifted off. But when you take this apart, down inside here, you'll see a bunch of minerals after a month or so. If you don't know what I'm talking about, it looks like yellow pudding down inside here. I just got done cleaning this out. This part here, you can see here, there's still some minerals caked on here. I just got done cleaning that with vinegar and a toothbrush, and then I scraped it with a nail file. So this whole area here was all coated with yellow minerals. So just to show you what I'm talking about, just take it and put it in the sink. Get a toothbrush, put some vinegar, and then just wipe the vinegar on here. It won't dissolve all of it, but it'll loosen it up to where you can scrub it off. Okay. Okay, I got this humidifier here, and it quit working, so I went to clean it, and this is what I found. You can see it looks pretty nasty. So I'm hoping it's just plugged up. All this stuff come out of it. It's almost like a yogurt type material. So as minerals just build up, I'm going to use some vinegar on the outside and on the inside.